Hello guys, June 22nd, it's 11:02 a.m. Eastern here. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on some of the stocks which are in buy zone. And gold and gold miners, they're looking really good. I'm looking to add gold miners. GDX is the ETF. This consists of all gold miners, North American gold miners. And you can see gold very close to the bottom, 1916 zone. And if I just go to daily chart, you can see here it's in the buy zone very nicely. It's set up in the buy zone, and it's gonna be getting very close to the bottom. And at the bottom of this range is around 1900. So I'm not gonna wait for this to reach to the bottom. I'm gonna start buying now, and then you can see some divergences are building up as well. You can see prices going lower, and I can try to show you here on the arrow. You can see PPO is going higher, RSI is going higher. Not here, sorry, I need to make it a bit better. You can see there's some divergence on PPO and RSI if I draw it like that. Okay, and you can see here very nicely. You can see this is hourly chart. Gold price is going lower, PPO and RSI is going higher. Gold miners, same thing. You can see gold miners. This is hourly chart. And if I draw a line here, you can see same thing here. Okay, so this is looking good. What I'm trying to tell you, very close to the bottom. There's a gap here on hourly chart around here, around 29.16. So it can go a little bit more lower. It's quite possible from here, from today's close, it can go like 1.4% lower too. But if you can hold it for a couple of weeks to a month, why worry, right? Don't worry, guys. So gold miners are looking really good. If you don't want to buy gold miners, you can buy individual Barrick Gold and Newmont mine. This is the biggest gold miner in North America. This is also looking gold, looking good. And then gold, sorry, GDX. I want to show you something. And sorry, this chart is really messed up right now here. It's down heavily since the top, so you can see most of the other stock sectors are near all-time highs, but this has been dropping because of higher interest rate. Today, two other banks they increased the interest rates, so it's down since the top almost 18.5%. I think Bank of England and another bank they increased interest rates by 0.5, and that's the reason gold is dumping. But this is your once in a lifetime opportunity. I do expect a new all-time high in gold later this year or maybe next year. But these are like very good prices on gold miners. This is like your golden opportunity to buy it. So don't miss that, guys. That's what I'm trying to tell you here. Okay, so and yeah, silver is same thing. Silver is also looking good. It's in very close to the buy zone. It touched it, it bounced. So silver, I'm just focusing on commodity this time. Palladium is also looking good. You can see it's in the green lines here very nicely in the buy zone. Wheat is just after massive move, just like stabilizing. That's very healthy for market. Corn is also, sorry, corn is still not no zone here. Soybean, let's quickly look. Soybean is also in the buy zone. SOYB is the ETF. Sugar is also in the buy zone. Cane is the ETF. Let's quickly see if there's anything else. Let's quickly see. KRE is also in the buy zone. This is the regional bank ETF, very nicely in the buy zone. Financials in the buy zone. Real estate is in the buy zone right now. Tech stocks are pumping. That's okay. Intel is good in the buy zone. Okay, Intel is looking good. IBM, IBM is also looking good. This looks like in the buy zone as well. Pfizer, healthcare is also in the buy zone. Boeing dumped this morning and also in the buy zone now. Starbucks went away from the buy zone. In the morning it was in the buy zone. Let's quickly see if there's anything else, anything interesting. Oh yeah, oil. I wanted to tell you, oil was dumping really bad in the morning. 3.4% straight dump in the buy zone now. And if you're interested, you can get some of the XOM is bounced already. It was in the morning in the buy zone, now bounce. CNQ is largest Canadian miner is also bouncing. SCU is in the buy zone. This is Suncor Energy. And let's see if there's anything else. BN is also in the buy zone. This is Bookerfield Corporation. All the banks are in the buy zone. Goldman Sachs, you can see in the buy zone. JP Morgan in the buy zone, just the buy zone. Bank of America in the buy zone. Citigroup also in the buy zone. These are Canadian banks. Let's quickly see. TD in the buy zone. And this is Canadian CIBC in the buy zone. So things are looking good. A lot of stay away from tech, my personal opinion. Start getting miners, commodities, and some of the stocks I mentioned. And somebody told me to look into triple Qs. I can show you triple Qs. It came out of, you can see this morning around 9:30 market open. It was in the buy zone. Now it's bouncing. It's in the neutral zone. No trades here. SPY is in the middle. No trades here. Dow Jones ETF DIA was in the buy zone a couple of times this morning. And IWM was in the buy zone this morning. Now just stabilizing. So these are some of the other ETFs. XLE energy sector. Again, this is also in the buy zone. Healthcare is doing pretty good. And yeah, I think, yeah, I hope. Oh, let's quickly look at Bitcoin. You can see it was in the sell zone from last couple of days, just massive pump. You can see this line adjusts itself. So it was in the sell zone. Now it's cooling down. It's in the middle. Note it's here. It can go as low as 29,200. So be careful here. So a little bit more selling can happen, and that will be a good area to buy. So first standard deviation is 2.5% out. Second is 3.6%. Third is 4.56%. Okay, guys, and I hope this is helpful, and good luck.